Beach water testing for the Huron County Health Unit starts on June 1st and goes until Labor Day weekend. We test 2 days a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and a typical day for us starts at 5:30 and goes until about 2. We start testing our first beach at Amberley, and we head down the west coast towards Grand Bend. And we stop at 14 beaches along the way, and there's a number of different variables that we record at each beach.
On a day when we go out on the beach, there's a number of observations we try to look for, such as the sunlight, the weather conditions, the wave height, and the clarity of the water. Wave height and clarity are a big factor in how well the water will test. If there's a lot of wave action, it can stir up bacteria, and if the water isn't very clear and it looks turbid, then that's also a good indicator that it might not test as well.
Our general rule that we tell the public is that if an adult is standing in waist-deep water and they can see clearly down to their feet, then the water is usually considered safe for swimming. We know that kids like to play along the shore, but actually the shoreline contains more bacteria than in the water itself. So we always like to remind families to wash their hands or use hand sanitizer after they've been playing. When we sample at each beach, we take 5 different bottles. They're spread out in different locations along the shoreline. We remove a barcode from each bottle and we match it with the bacteriological analysis forms to be sent to the lab. After we're done, we bag all of the bottles and we keep them inside coolers with ice packs. The samples have to be kept cold because the bacteria tends to multiply if they get too warm. Once we've sampled all 14 beaches, we head to Exeter to the Ausable Bayfield Conservation Authority, and we drop off the samples there for pickup by Helix Courier. Once we receive them back, we get to work posting them and filing them so we can have them ready for the public, usually within about 24 hours of sampling. And the E. coli results are posted in our county database as well as a spreadsheet, just to keep track of historical data and trends. The quality of Lake Huron water can change pretty dramatically from day to day and even sometimes hourly. With heavy rainfall or high waves, we encourage swimmers to read the signs and just basically stay informed about the beach conditions. The Huron County website has a ton of information on it regarding the beaches, and the public can see E. coli reports and beach monitoring reports from the past 5 years.
New this summer are our beach signs, which have a barcode which can be scanned by a phone, so it will take you to our Huron County Health Unit website, and on that website you can see the water quality updates.
There's also a lot of information about beach safety and illness associated with E. coli. Our results can be found on Twitter at twitter.com/HuronBeachInfo and the Huron County website, also by calling our hotline, which is 519-482-3416, extension 2501.